Hi, this is Nagareddy, Department of Mathematics, Oxford and Nivedita Schools, Pattur and Inkulu. Polynomials, division algorithm for polynomials. Consider a cubic polynomial px is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. X minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial because p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3, that is 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Whenever p1 is equal to 0, 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Whenever 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, we have x minus 1 is a factor. So take the given polynomial px, divide the polynomial with x minus 1, the quotient is x square minus 2x minus 3. Therefore, px is equal to x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3. And again split into factors, x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. Whenever x plus 1 is a factor, minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. And x minus 3 is a factor, 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So 1 minus 1, 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Since it is a cubic polynomial, it has at most 3 zeros. So we will go to the division algorithm, that is example number 8, page number 68. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. This is the 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is called dividend and x plus 2 is called divisor. So always write the dividend and divisor in descending order according to the powers. So already this is in descending order, dividend and divisor also descending order according to the powers. So when going to division, take the first term of the dividend, that is 2x square. Divide it with the first term of the divisor, x. So 2x square can be written as 2 into x by x. X cancel 2x. So 2x is the first quotient. Write quotient here 2x and multiply the divisor with 2x. So first 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x into 2, 4x. Draw a line, go to subtraction, change the symbols, plus 2x square becomes a minus and plus 4x becomes a minus. So these two are cancel, plus 3x minus 4x minus x plus 1. Next same procedure, this is step 1. Next step 2, what is the first term? Minus x divided by again first term of divisor x. Minus x means minus 1 into x by x. X cancel, minus 1 is the quotient. So write minus 1 quotient and again multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus into plus minus, 1 2s are 2. Subtraction, change the symbols, plus. Next plus, minus x plus x cancel, plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So here the polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is dividend, x plus 2 is called divisor, 2x minus 1 is called quotient and 3 is called remainder. One more problem we will practice. Example number 9. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Dividend 3x cube, that is the highest power, x square plus 2x plus 5. The terms are in descending order according to the powers. Next divisor, but the terms are not in certain proper order. we will write the highest term first, highest power x square plus 2x plus 1. Go to step 1. What is the first term in the dividend? 3x cube. And what is the first term in the divisor? X square. That is a 3 into x into x into x by x into x. X cancel. 3x is the first quotient and write 3x. Next multiply with 3x. 3x into x square. 3x cube. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. 6x square plus 3x into 1, 3x. Draw a line. Go to subtraction. Minus, minus, minus. These two are cancelled. Plus 1x square minus 6x square minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 1x plus 5. The next one. Step 2. What is the first term here? Minus 5x square. Divide it with x square. Both x square cancel. The answer is minus 5. Take the quotient as minus 5 and multiply with minus 5. The first term minus 5x square product. The next product minus 10x minus 10x and the last one minus 5. Subtraction plus plus plus. These two are cancelled. Minus 1x plus 10x. Subtraction plus 9x plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Now observe the remainder degree. What is the degree of 9x plus 10? The highest power 1 and here degree highest power 2. So whenever the remainder degree is less than the degree of the divisor, stop the division and write the answers. Quotient is equal to 3x minus 5 and the remainder is 9x plus 10. This is example number 9. Next, one more example, very important. Example number 10. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. X minus 1 minus x square and verify the division algorithm. So observe the dividend and divisor both are not in a descending order according to the powers. Write the terms in descending order. First dividend highest power term minus x cube. Next x square term plus 3x square. Next x term minus 3x plus 5. Divide it with what is the highest power? Minus x square. Next plus x minus 1. In division, go to step 1. What is the first term? Minus x cube divided by minus x square. Minus by minus plus x square cancel, you will get x. So take the first quotient as x and multiply with x. So first term minus x cube plus x square minus 1 into x minus x. Draw a line. Subtraction plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. That is change the symbols. So these two are cancelled. Plus 3x square minus 1x square. That is plus 2x square. Minus 3x plus 1x. That is minus 2x plus 5. Step 2. The first term 2x square. Divide it with minus x square. So x square cancel. The quotient is minus 2. So write quotient as minus 2 and multiply with minus 2 the divisor. So minus into minus plus 2x square minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. Subtraction minus plus minus cancel. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel. 5 minus 2, 3 is the remainder. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to x minus 2 remainder is equal to 3. We will check the division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is the given polynomial 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 is equal divisor x minus 1 minus x square into quotient x minus 2 plus 3. First x multiplication x into x minus 2, next minus 1 multiplication x minus 2, next minus x square into x minus 2, last plus 3. So x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 minus x square into x minus 2, x into x square minus x into 2 2x minus 1 into x minus x minus of minus plus 1 2s are 2 minus x cube minus 2x square plus 3. So like terms we will simplify minus x cube plus x square minus 2x square minus x square minus 2x minus 1x minus 3x and plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. So here minus, so plus 2x square plus 1x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now check the terms, plus 3x square same, minus x cube same, minus 3x same, plus 5. This is the verification by using the division algorithm formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is very important problem. Example number 10. So we will practice some problems in exercise. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. First Roman. Divide the polynomial px, first bit. Divide the polynomial px, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 with gx is equal to x square minus 2 and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. So we will find the quotient and remainder. What is the given polynomial? Already the powers are in descending order. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divide with gx x square minus 2. Step 1, x cube divided by the first term x square. The answer x into x into x by x into x, x cancel. The first quotient is x and write the first quotient as x and multiply with x. X into x square, x cube minus 2x. So write here minus 2x, another like term. Subtraction, plus x cube becomes minus, this minus 2x becomes plus 2x. These two are cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 7x minus 3. What is the first term here again? Minus 3x square divided by the first term x square. Both x square cancel. Answer minus 3. So minus 3 is the next quotient. And multiply with the minus 3. Minus 3 into x square. Minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus 6. Subtraction plus minus. These two are cancelled. 7x minus 9. Addition minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. Now observe the degree of the remainder is 1, but the degree of the divisor is 2. That's why the division is not possible. Stop the division and write the quotient and the remainder. So what is the quotient? Is equal to x minus 3 and the remainder is equal to 7x minus 9. This exercise first term, first bit. So we will practice one more bit. 3 bits are there. We will practice one more bit. Third bit I will explain. Polynomial px is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. Gx is equal to 2 minus x square. What is the polynomial that is dividend x power 4? What is the next term? X cube term. But x cube term not there. If you want write 0x cube. After x cube next term x square term. That is also not there. Write 0x square. Next minus 5x plus 6. Divide it with what is the highest power? Minus x square. Write the terms in a order, descending order of powers. And plus 2. What is the first term? X power 4. Divide it with minus x square. That is equal to minus x square cancel. X square again you will get. So the first quotient is minus x square. And multiply with minus x square. Minus of minus plus x power 4. Next minus 2x square. So here write minus 2x square. Draw a line. Go to subtraction. Change the symbols. This plus becomes a minus. This minus becomes a plus. So these two are cancelled. Next plus 2x square. Next minus 5x and put 6 also. Next go to step 2. 2x square first term. Divide it with minus x square. Symbol minus x square term cancel 2. So put minus 2. Multiply with the minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2x square. Minus of minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4. Here write under the like term. Draw a line. Go to subtraction minus and plus. So these two are cancelled. Minus 5x 6 plus 4 10. This is the remainder. And observe the degree of the remainder. This is linear polynomial degree 1 and here degree 2. The remainder degree is less than the degree of the divisor. So stop the division and write the answers. That is quotient. Quotient is equal to minus x square minus 2 and remainder is equal to minus 5x plus 10. So last one more bit I will explain. This is homework. First Roman 3 bits are there. Take the 3 bits homework. And second Roman I will explain the first bit. T square minus 3 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial with the first polynomial. So divide the second polynomial with the first polynomial and check whether it is a factor or not. So I will take the second polynomial 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Divide it with t square minus 3. Already the terms are in descending order of the powers. What is the first term? 2t power 4. Divide it with the first term t square. The answer is 2t square. Write the quotient as 2t square. Multiply with 2t square. 2t square into t square. 2t power 4 minus 6t square. Here write another like term. Subtraction minus plus. These two are cancelled. The next term 3t cube minus plus subtraction. 6 minus 2 4t square, that is plus symbol. 4t square. Next one more term minus 90. Now again the first term 3t cube divided by the first term t square. T square cancel 3t. So here write 3t and multiply with 3t. So first multiplication 3t cube. Next minus 90. Here write minus 90. Subtraction minus plus. This one cancel. This one also cancel. So the remaining is a 4t square. Last term minus 12. Go to step 3. 4t square by t square. So t square cancel. The answer is 4. So the quotient is a 4. Multiply with the 4. 4 into t square, 4t square. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 12. Draw a line. Change the symbol. Minus, plus. These two are cancelled. The remainder is 0. Wherever the remainder is 0, we will say t square minus 3 is a factor of the second polynomial, and the second polynomial exactly divisible by t square minus 3. So when we say it is exactly divisible by, whenever the remainder is 0, the second polynomial is exactly divisible by t square minus 3, or otherwise t square minus 3 is a factor of the second polynomial. Thank you. We will discuss some more problems in the next class. Thank you.